You know that moment at night. The kids are finally down. The dishes are mostly done. You sit on the couch and your body goes still, but your brain keeps spinning. You think of everything you forgot, everything you still should do, and somehow the day refuses to end. That, my friend, is mental clutter. And if you don't give your brain a place to land, it will just loop. That's why I use a simple habit called the Sundown Stack, a 10-minute end of day reset that helps me close out the day gently, without guilt or overthinking. Let me show you how to use it. The problem: no clear end to the day. Working parents don't get a clear clock out. We end work and step straight into parenting. We finish dishes and remember a school form. We sit down and start doom scrolling because we don't know how else to transition. And the truth is, if your brain never gets the message the day is over, it will keep scanning. That scanning? It shows up as decision fatigue, anxiety at bedtime, restlessness even when you're exhausted, mental loops about laundry, lunch, and logistics. You don't need more sleep. You need a signal to your brain that you're done for today. The fishies, the Sundown Stack. The Sundown Stack is a short, repeatable sequence that tells your body, the day is closing. Let's land gently. It's not a long routine. It's not about being productive. It's about creating closure so your mind can release the day. How to do your Sundown Stack in under 10 minutes. Step 1: pick 3 to 5 simple steps to do every night. These can include tidy one small area, sink, coffee station, couch. Write 3 thoughts in a notebook. Light a candle or dim the lights. Set out clothes or lunch for tomorrow. Sit still for 60 seconds and breathe. Plug in your phone and put it on. Do not disturb. Step 2: do them in the same order every night. This creates a rhythm your brain starts to recognize. Step 3: end with a phrase or signal to yourself. Examples: today is complete. I did enough. We made it. A hand over heart, a deep breath, or turning off the last light. Educator insight: the power of closure. As a teacher, I never end a lesson without closure. Why? Because brains don't like loose ends. Without a closing cue, students stay mentally open, distracted, scattered, unsure of what's next. And the same is true for us as adults. The Sundown Stack gives your brain the permission slip it's been looking for. You don't have to carry everything into the night. Want to make this a daily habit? Inside my course, Time Mastery for Working Parents, I guide you through evening rhythms, daily wrap up practices, time blocking without overscheduling, energy resets and routines that fit real life, self paced 12 weeks, just 10 minutes a day. Employer reimbursement form included. Learn more here. Momstudyhabits.com. Your takeaway today: you don't need a perfect bedtime routine. You don't need to do it all before you rest. You just need to land the day with care. Try this tonight. Pick 3 steps, repeat them in the same order. Use a phrase or cue to end the day. Let yourself be done. And notice how much calmer your nights feel and how much lighter your mornings become. You've got this.